Hi guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the best 3D printers.
As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We always keep the description up to date with information we might not get a chance to mention in this video. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated pricing, be sure to check out that description.
FlashForge Finder 3D printers. Are you planning to buy a smart 3D printer that contains almost all the facilities and features of an ideal 3D printer and holds a wide, convenient application? Without any further thinking, you can buy it. This 3D printer is probably the best option for you. It's brought to you by the all-time reliable brand FlashForge. It's an alloy-made printer. It's compatible with plastic and polylactic acid. Its construction and design uses stable print. It uses Wi-Fi, a flash drive, and USB connectivity. It's not only home-friendly, but it also is user-friendly and wallet-friendly. LONENESSL Intelligent FDM 3D printer. The famous brand LONENESSL has brought this super 3D printer. It's designed to meet all of your related and relevant 3D printing needs. It uses the Android operating system. It's a PLA-made printer. Of course, it's easy to work with. It can stop from the point that it stops for any reason. It's very flexible. It ensures security and adjustable speed. This user-friendly printer ensures also fast printing. It's pre-assembled. You can download different kinds of 3D models. It's the perfect choice for kids.
Halfway of our list. We bring you more products whether you need the best of the best or just the most affordable option. We'll relay all these items for you. Stay tuned.